How to fix screen flickering issue on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hot side power button and restart device from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, so turn on auto brightness. After turn on auto brightness, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and reset all setting. Enter your phone pin, click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.